Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Now let's see what are the foods that help you in keeping your liver healthy. First is oatmeal. Fiber-rich foods are very beneficial for our liver. Oatmeal is one of the most healthiest foods and is a great way to kickstart a day. Oatmeal consists of high soluble fiber and it also helps in losing weight, especially belly fat, which in turn avoids liver diseases. Next, avoid fatty food. Intake of fatty food, junk food like french fries, burgers damage liver health. Eating high saturated fat can alert the work of liver and may also lead to inflammation. This can lead to cirrhosis, which is a liver disease. Always choose healthy options before ordering others. Next is broccoli for liver. Several veggies improve liver health, especially broccoli is one of them. This crunchy broccoli protects us from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. When broccoli is roasted with garlic and vinegar, tastes delicious. Next is coffee. Coffee is also very beneficial for health and these can be good news for those who can't stay away from it. Drinking 2 or 3 cups of coffee can control the damage of liver caused due to excess intake of alcohol or unhealthy diet. Some studies also say that the intake of coffee can reduce the risk of liver cancer. Next is cut on sugar. Excess intake of sugar and sweeteners can damage liver as they increase the pressure on liver. As liver turns sugar into fats, excess intake of sugars can put pressure on liver. Intake of high sugar can also lead to high cholesterol levels in the body. In long run, it can also lead to fatty liver diseases. Next, green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins. These catechins protect us from many cancers, especially liver cancer. Freshly made hot green tea contains high amount catechins when compared to other ready-made green teas. Next, water. Make a habit to drink water instead of sweetened drinks and other soft drinks to control the calorie intake. Maintaining healthy weight is very beneficial for healthy liver. Drinking water also keeps you hydrated and also controls the weight. Next, almonds and other nuts. Vitamin E present in almonds and other nuts protect our liver by reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. Almonds along with vitamin E also beneficial for heart and also controls the cholesterol levels in our body. Intake of almonds as snack instead of unhealthy snack is very beneficial. We can also add almonds in different salads. Also avoid high intake of salt. Excess intake of salt or high sodium diet leads to fibrosis. Fibrosis is the initial stage of liver scarring. Cutting salt in our regular diet is very essential to avoid liver disease and by avoiding processed foods, canned veggies, we can control the intake of high sodium in our diet. Next is spinach. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant which is very beneficial for our liver. It is present in green leaf vegetables like spinach. Antioxidants present in spinach not just protect our liver but also helps in speed recovery if it is damaged. So add these some foods to your diet to avoid the liver damage.